Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to do the thruster, which is a full body powerful dumbbell exercise. The key is to feel like you're using less shoulders and to be more powerful through the lower half of the body to create upward momentum, hence the name, the thruster, because you're generating thrust from beneath and that's creating momentum that you're going to utilize to get to the top of the movement. So grab both dumbbells, remember to bend your knees to pick up the weights. Squat down, lift it to the hips, bring the feet slightly narrower, feet just slightly wider than shoulder width, maybe even a tad more than that, toes slightly pointed out. Bend your knees and thrust it up to the shoulder. Now, from this standing position, we're going to go into a deep squat and then thrust the legs and push these weights above the head. So we're going to go down first, big breath in, sit into it, press, come back to the shoulders, down, sit into it and thrust your legs so that those weights go straight above the head using the full body. Relax. Down through the hips. Push. Making sure that you keep those elbows tight to the body and the weights in front of you. You're going to go down through the hips and powerful through that lower body. And generating that upper momentum is really, really important for that lower body and that upper body, and it creates a really powerful effect on the body that will push your heart rate up and strengthen your musculoskeletal system. I hope this helps, guys. Take care and see you again soon.